What up, world? What's happening? Coming at you today with another unboxing video. This is a product I've been pretty excited to get my hands on. It is called the Ember Temperature Control Mug. I believe it started originally on one of those crowdsourced funding sites. It did really well, obviously. It's in the marketplace now, sold at places like Starbucks and a few other things. It's pretty exciting for me to be able to check this out and do an unboxing and review on it. So here we go.
So starting off, use my handy dandy kitchen knife here and go ahead and cut the plastic off. And then we'll start removing this bad boy from the box. The box itself is actually quite sturdy. It's a lot like some of the techie devices you'll find nowadays, so that's pretty sweet. The mug inside of the box is very stable and secure. It doesn't rock around, it's snug, so you know that it's protected. I'm loving the finish on this. It's a matte finish. It's almost grippy in a way, so you know it's not going to just slide out of your hand. Just popping the top off here, a little bit of documentation inside. It's some warning information telling you the lid is dishwasher safe, the mug is not. On the bottom there's a sticker talking about the charging. Peel that bad boy off and you can see the charging rings. I'll go over all of this in more detail whenever I actually do my review video. Continuing on into the box for the other bits of information and parts of the mug itself. So we've got some more documentation. Then we've got our charging coaster. That's going to be what your mug sits on whenever you're charging up the battery. Continuing on with that matte finish, it matches very well with the mug itself. We've got a sticker, booklet, information, and then we have the charging pack, similar to that of like a small laptop. It does not have a USB on it. It needs its own power source.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the Ember Travel Mug. I'm definitely looking forward to getting this bad boy charged up. It did say charge first before turning it on and trying it. So I'm going to do all of that, and then I'll probably do a follow-up video talking about how much I do or don't like it based on its functionality. So for those that don't know, the idea here is that it's designed for your lifestyle. Essentially, you plug it in, you charge it up, and it holds a charge to keep your beverage, tea, cocoa, coffee, whatever it may be, at a set temperature, and it'll do so until the battery dies. So if you want to charge up your cup overnight and then fill it with something, and then for the next couple of hours you can keep it hot. What I'm thinking is I'll actually keep the charging station at work and on my desk, and then each day I'll come home with my mug, and each morning I'll fill it up with hot coffee. I'll go to work with my travel mug, assuming that it's going to maintain a certain temperature or keep it mostly warm. And then when I get to work, I can actually place my travel mug on my charging station at my desk, and it will maintain or charge or hold the temperature as I see fit to whatever degrees I set it at, and do so pretty much the entire day. Throughout my day, if I get up and walk away from my desk, I can take it with me. It'll use some of the battery, it'll maintain that temperature. It'll be for as long as either I want to do so or until I run out of my drink, my coffee. It does have an app for both the phone and for the watch, so I'm looking forward to installing those, checking those out. As a part of my follow-up video, I'll probably include some screenshots or some video shots of the screens as to what it looks like or the different types of settings or what I'd like or dislike about it. If you like what you see in here, click the like button, subscribe to my channel to see more videos, as well as click that little bell down there to get notified whenever new videos come out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys soon.